Hey everyone, I'm Ceiba, and I originate the Tau, T-A-U, the Greek letter, of Equipoise, and I want to talk about the term holistic, in particular as it applies to movement. So we hear a lot these days about holistic movement, but you cannot really move holistically through the notion of bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry is exclusive and reductive. It reduces our global three-dimensional form to two dimensions. So if we're not moving radially through our form, which means that the movement originates through center, then we're not truly moving holistically. And every aspect of our form has radiality. Our fingers, our toes, our eyes, our ears, every aspect is fractal in nature. Each aspect is a fractal of the totality. So radiality doesn't just originate through our trunk. We must also attune every aspect of our form radially to truly have holistic movement. Your true nature awaits you. Peace.